Ito ang latest fight ni Munguia versus Soares. Ayan, tinamaan ng lip hook si Soares at bumagsak.
30 seconds here.
Ito naman yung umpisa ng round 6. Round 2 po yung bumagsak si Soares.
Munguia continuing to stalk here in round 3, goes right back down to the body with the series of punches, finishes up top with the left hand.
Mixing those punches up quite well.
Ito palitan sila ng suntok.
Tricky shot up the middle, splits the guard. Balance into that actually wobbled him, but he's coming right back.
Mazinian was in it until he wasn't. Right?
Exactly.
But Munguia took a round off and then came back and finished it.
Ayun, tinamaan ng solid na right hook. Bagsak si Munguia. Mukhang wala na guys. Hindi na makakabangon. Ayan, wala. Tinigil na ng referee. Panalo ni si Soares.